Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. If you're new, thanks for joining me. If you're a return viewer, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to be unboxing this super cute box from Precuts Classic Quilt Boxes. If you're unfamiliar with these boxes, I will put a link in the description box where you can get them below. But they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. This is their classic box. They do have a stash buster, which is full of just fabric. The classic box has sewing notions and fabric and patterns and all kinds of goodies. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. First off, there's this happy anniversary card in here. It's just a thank you note for subscribing to their boxes. It also has some new information. They've got a new giveaway that they're going to be doing, and it says, we started off with a few, now we are many, not only in numbers but also in talents and creativity. And they have a new scratch here little box. And as you can see, I've already scratched mine off and it just says, thank you for participating. However, some of you will have won some really cool prizes. It looks like prizes will include layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, mini charm packs, and even one ever sewn sewing machine. So wow. So make sure to check this card in your box. From what I understand, they will be doing these little scratch off prizes every month, I believe. But anyways, it's for sure in this happy anniversary month. So that is really exciting. I hope some of you guys won. If you did, please make sure to leave a comment below letting me know what you won, because I think that's really fun. The next thing in our box here is, of course, just a little insert. It tells you everything that came in this month's box. It also has information on this month's fabric designer. This is Sedef Imer, I believe is how you say her name. She's a former chartered accountant from London who now lives in a picturesque wine town in Australia. She blogs about sewing, embroidery, and crochet, and her website is Down Grapevine Lane. I have been following her for years on Instagram, so if you haven't heard of her yet, I definitely suggest that you go and follow her. She has a super cute feed and always has a lot of really fun projects. All right, and right away in this box, you guys, it's like I don't know what to grab first because it's all so cute, but I want to show you their wrapping paper in here, and it's just got these super cute gold hearts on it, and it's just kind of a light blush color, and it's just really cute just to start off. But our first thing is a full-size spool of AURIUL thread. This looks like it's the colorway 2214, and it's just really nice kind of orangish, amberish color. If you don't know, AURIUL is my go-to thread. This is a 50 weight thread, and these spools are 1,422 yards, so they go a long ways. They're perfect for machine embroidery, quilting, serging, and the retail value for this guy is around $14. I do believe I've seen them on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. Either way, AURIUL is my go-to thread. I love it. As you can see, I have a whole thread wall of AURIUL back here. It's my go-to thread, and I'm really excited to see that in this month's box. All right, the next product in this month's box is this cute magnetic pin bowl. Let me take it out of the box for you guys. It even has a couple pins in there. This is a really pretty, like, coppery color. This whole box kind of has this same sort of theme, and this one is super pretty. This one says, great for, let's see, extra strong magnet keeps pins and needles and metal clips secure. Great for picking up spilt pins from floors and carpet. Definitely had to do that before. Non-slip rubber base prevents scratches and provides grip. Perfect for home, office, workshop, of course, sewing room. They retail for about $12, and I've got a couple of these pin bowls. Either way, it's super cute, and it did come with a few little pins, and as you can see, they're not falling out. I've definitely spilled pins on the floor before, and I would always go and grab my bowl and just, you know, pick them all up. I also do that when I'm taking them out as I'm sewing. I'll just kind of slide them out of my fabric and kind of over to the right on my machine, and then I'll just grab my bowl and just pick them all up at the same time. So super fun, and this one is adorable. I love the color. The next thing in our box is this Gemini quilt pattern. It's by ROSA Designs, and it's fairly easy to follow. Finished quilt size is 52 inches by 65 inches. This little pattern retails for $2, so super inexpensive. I'm gonna try and kind of cover up the back, but all the instructions for piecing it and putting it together are on the back. This looks like it's super easy and cute to put together. All straight seams, definitely beginner friendly, and I can't decide which one I like more, the dark background or the light background. I'm kind of leaning towards the dark background on this one, but either way, it's super cute. The next thing in our box is this beautiful fabric. This is a Rhapsody Roly-Poly by Sedef Imer, and it features 40 2.5 by 44 inch strips. Actually, I think they're 42 inch strips, but I could be wrong about that. This retails for $42. And here is the lovely color palette that comes with it. And then I'll kind of do this around so you can sort of see all the colors. But you've got this light blue, a little bit of a darker, some fun pinks, some reds, some whites, and then some yellows into a little bit deeper. It's not really orange, but it's kind of a deeper yellow tone. So super pretty and fun. This is definitely very nice and springy, and this is a full-size jelly roll, you guys. I think I said this in my last video for these guys, but they always put full-size products in there so you don't feel like you're getting samples of things or minis of things. They kind of go out of their way, I think, to put some really cool products in their boxes. This is no exception. Okay, and yes, there is more. There's this super cute bee book, Busy Bee journal in here. It is a hardcover journal. It's 8.5 by 6 inches approximately. It retails for $13. It is a hardcover journal. And then, see if I can show you the pages inside. It's got a bunch of little blank journaling pages in here, so you can kind of see those. It's got this nice gold edging on the pages, and it also comes with this little yellow page marker as well. So super cute journal. I actually really love this. However, I do have one of my daughters who loves to journal, and she always is running out of journals because she writes so much in them. So I'll probably end up giving this to her, but I think it would also be a great book to keep all your little ideas in, your project notes and things like that. So it's super cute, and just like that it's hardcover. It's really nice, good quality, and the pages are just adorable. They also put some coupons in this box. There's 25% off an entire order. There's 35% off a single item for if you're gonna subscribe to one of the boxes, and then there's free shipping on any orders as well. The coupons are good for about a month, it looks like, so plenty of time to use them. They also include shipping and handling. This box costs $8.85 to ship out. So everything combined, your total box value is $91.55. That's almost $100 worth of product. The boxes are around, I think they're $56, something like that. So you're getting double what you pay. So for sure, a good box. These are one of my favorite boxes. They're always filled with really fun stuff. All right, so that is everything that came in this month's box. I am pretty much trying to hold up everything here because I actually really love it all. I love the color of this pin bowl. I love Aurifil thread. Full on colorful, super summery jelly roll is awesome. And then this hardcover journal is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite product is in this month's box and what you're thinking of these boxes. So far, I'm really loving them. I feel like they really go out of their way to put really cool products in their boxes, so they're definitely worth the value if you're looking for a subscription box. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making these fun videos for you. I always love doing unboxings because that way you can see what comes in these boxes before you decide to subscribe yourself. So hopefully it helps some of you guys out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Just a thank you for getting, just a thank you note for, they've got a new giveaway kind of, oh. Okay, where's my trash can? It's my sewing room and I can never find my trash can. There is this super cute book that won't focus. There we go. And then it's got a nice little gold edging on the pages. I don't know. I don't even know how to hold all this stuff up, you guys. It's so great.
Okay, well, bye.
Okay, bye. Love you.